Every Google Sheet is English, right? But you might not want it to be English in some particular way. So you see untyped spreadsheet, you see type here, you see tables, start with pre-built tables. All of this is English. File, edit, menu. Go up to File, go up to Settings, and click down at the bottom. It says Display Language, English. Click that, English, and we can add other languages here. We can type in Español from España. We can save that. We can add languages like Swahili from Uganda. Can save that, and we can click the up arrow to make this my preferred language. Now everything is displayed in Spanish. And now when I make a new spreadsheet, you can see that everything is Spanish. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.